Hello and welcome to this session on scaling and deploying Retrieval-Augmented Generation RAG models. Today, we'll explore strategies to scale RAG models for high-demand applications and deploy them effectively for real-world use cases. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of the key considerations and techniques to ensure your RAG models perform optimally and reliably in production. Let's dive in. Scaling RAG models requires careful planning due to their hybrid nature, involving both retrieval and generation components. Let's discuss some key challenges. High latency. Combining retrieval with generation can lead to increased response times. The retrieval system needs to query large datasets, and the generative model must process this data, potentially introducing delays. Resource demands. Large language models, LLMs, and dense retrieval systems require significant computational resources, especially when scaling for multiple users or real-time applications. Data management. Effective data indexing, updating, and storage are essential to ensure accurate and up-to-date retrieval. Managing these datasets efficiently becomes more challenging as the scale increases. Error handling. Scaling amplifies the impact of errors, such as irrelevant retrievals or misaligned responses. Robust error handling mechanisms are crucial for reliable deployment. Understanding these challenges helps us prepare for the solutions. Optimizing retrieval systems. Use dense retrieval systems like FAS or SCAN for faster, more accurate searches. Pre-compute embeddings for static data to save computation time during real-time queries. Implement sharded indexing for large datasets, where data is split into smaller, manageable chunks across multiple servers. Model compression and optimization. Use techniques like quantization or pruning to reduce the size and computational load of your LLM without compromising performance. Leverage frameworks like Hugging Face's Optimum or TensorRT for optimized inference. Load balancing and scaling infrastructure. Deploy load balancers to distribute requests across multiple instances of your RAG pipeline. This prevents overloading any single instance. Use auto-scaling services, e.g. Kubernetes, AWS auto-scaling, to dynamically adjust the number of running instances based on demand. Caching responses. For repeated queries, implement response caching to avoid unnecessary retrieval and generation cycles. Tools like Redis can store frequently accessed results. Monitoring and logging. Use monitoring tools like Prometheus or Grafana to track model performance, latency, and errors. Implement detailed logging to analyze user interactions and improve the system over time. Deploying RAG models involves choosing the deployment platform. For small-scale applications, consider lightweight deployment using Flask or Fast API. For larger-scale deployments, use containerization with Docker and orchestration tools like Kubernetes. Integrating with APIs. Build a REST or GraphQL API around your RAG pipeline to make it accessible to external applications. Ensure the API is well-documented, secure, and scalable. Cloud deployment. Deploy RAG models on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud for on-demand scaling and resource management. Services like AWS SageMaker or Google AI Platform can simplify the process. Edge deployment, optional. For low-latency applications, explore edge deployment using tools like TensorFlow Lite or ONX. This allows parts of the RAG pipeline to run closer to the end user. Continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD. Implement CI/CD pipelines to streamline updates, testing, and deployment. This ensures that new features or fixes are seamlessly integrated into your RAG application. To sum up, scaling and deploying RAG models involves optimizing retrieval and generation components, managing resources effectively, and leveraging scalable infrastructure. Whether you're building a small chatbot or a large-scale AI system, these strategies will help you deliver efficient and reliable RAG-powered solutions. In the next session, we'll explore how to monitor and maintain RAG models in production to ensure long-term success. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you next time.